So difference between facial oils and essential oils. Now this is a very confusing topic and I get to know that people are really confused when they comment on my videos which are specifically made about facial oils. Now if you're someone who wants to have a detailed knowledge on facial oils, make sure you check out my playlist on facial oils because it's going to be super helpful. Doesn't matter which skin type you are. Now let's get started on the differences between essential oil and facial oil. The very first differentiation point between an essential oil or a facial oil would be how they actually work. Now, essential oils are highly potent oils which work on the basis of their aroma. यानी कि जो उनकी खुशबू होती है उस basis पे they work. They're super effective and highly used in aromatherapy and they're equally beneficial for skin care and hair care. Let me give you a few examples of essential oils. The essential oils which are really famous are lavender oil, tea tree oil, rosemary essential oil. You must have seen them in my videos, but these are the really famous essential oils. I will tell you about how to use essential oils in skincare or hair care just in a minute, but let's cover how do facial oils work. Now facial oils are specific oils which are made for hair care and skincare specifically. They are really nice, nourishing, hydrating, moisturizing oils which can work physically as well as chemically on your skin. Facial oils have emollients and they are really great in all the skincare and hair care benefits, which if you want to know in detail, make sure you check out my facial oils video. I have a lot of them on this channel and we have different videos for different skin type. Now let's talk about how to use essential oil or facial oil in your skincare or hair care. The foremost important thing is that you cannot use essential oil directly on your skin. I have repeated in my previous videos also because they are so potent, they can harm your skin rather than providing the benefits. So make sure first of all that never to use essential oils directly on your skin. You always have to dilute them with a carrier oil. Now carrier oil is something which basically dilutes the essential oils and their properties and makes it suitable to use on your skin and on your hair. While the facial oils on other hand need not to be diluted, they can be used as it is directly on your skin, on your hair, on your body, depending upon which concern you are trying to target with the help of that facial oil. But that's not the case with essential oil. Make sure you keep this in mind. Another difference between essential oils and facial oils is the price. The essential oil are derived from a steam distillation process which makes them really expensive when compared to a facial oil. 15 ml of an essential oil would be as expensive as 100 ml of facial oil. Now if I talk about the irritation potential, essential oils can be highly irritating for people with all the skin type. Doesn't matter, sensitive, normal, whatever skin type you are. If you try to use essential oils more than the specified quantity or maybe directly on your skin, it can really irritate your skin. I had a really bad experience with lemongrass essential oil. I tried it. I was not aware about how to use it, so I directly applied it like a few dots on my skin and my skin was burning as hell for minutes. So make sure, please do not make this mistake. Always dilute it in the specified amount with a carrier oil. The carrier oil could be a jojoba oil, argan oil, or different type of oils. Talking about facial oil, they are not in general irritating, but the suitability can differ or vary from person to person. And the last very common way to differentiate between a facial oil and an essential oil would be read the instructions. A brand clearly specifies whether it's an essential oil, whether it's a facial oil. So please make sure to read out the instructions on how to use these oils from the label on the product. Now telling you a few benefits of essential oil. Number one, rosemary oil is amazing for treating hair. It helps in hair fall. It helps in, strengthening your hair. So it's great for that. I've used it in multiple DIYs on my channel. Then we have tea tree oil. That's antibacterial, amazing oil. Really suitable for people with acne prone skin. It can be used in spot treatment, obviously after dilution, for the acne or pimples. So these are like a few essential oils. Now talking about facial oils, I've been recently using squalane. That's like plant derived 100% pure oil. It's really great for moisturizing your skin and properly creating a barrier on your skin. So it's amazing if you have extremely dry or normal or maybe oily skin. Squalane is really light. Another facial oil which you can try is jojoba oil. That's also really suitable for generally all the skin types. And then if you want to know in detail about different oils for different skin type, make sure you check out my video. I'm going to link them right here and also mention them in description box below. So please check the description box. Also, I would mention all the oils suitable for different skin types. So if you're interested in buying any of them, please check the description box below. And this is all we have for today's video. I hope you've liked it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button because that will help this video reach a lot of people. And that's all we have for this video. I'm going to see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye. Take care.